This vintage Tiffany gilt brass and glass giant ball clock came into Gray & Sons for repair. The clock was likely manufactured in the 1950s. The movement was not signed by Tiffany & Company, and the crystal had no place to be signed either. So at first we had doubts that it was a Tiffany. Then we had an employee from Tiffany come in to do some work on a miniature ball clock that he had obtained from the company some years ago. In miniature form, right before my eyes was the same ball clock design. It was so exact to the ball clock we had that it became obvious Tiffany sold these as table clocks, small and large. The unique design to this clock is the see-through crystal, allowing you to see the entire movement, making this truly a movement on the glass. The clock needed several things to get up and running once again. To begin, the pallet jewels were missing. After searching for 2 days through many old vintage parts, we found some suitable jewels of the correct size and angles to replace the pallet jewels. The detente and stem winding issues needed to be solved. The detente was worn, which caused the stem to come out completely. The detente holds the stem, allowing the clock to be wound and set. We replaced the balance staff and revibrated the hairspring. We also had to replace the 8-day mainspring, which was spent. The mainspring is what powers the clock. And finally, the clock is ready for years of enjoyment in its family home.